guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring ISee Hair. Big thank you to ISee Hair for sponsoring this video. So let's get into this look. So as you can see, I have an Afro curly half wig. This is from their Amazon store, and this is in 20 inches. So inside of the wig, I have this elastic band that has silicone grip on there. That is to prevent it from slipping and sliding. I also have a drawstring. I have a comb in the nape. I also have adjustable straps, 2 combs on the side, and 1 comb at the very top. I did 1 anchor braid across the front of my head behind my leave out. I did not leave out a lot of hair. You really don't need to. So as you can see, I'm going to slip her on. I'm going to secure that drawstring, tuck the drawstring under to conceal it, and here we are. So here I am combing the curls out. I'm combing the curls out, showing you the full density of this wig. This wig is gorgeous. I love this texture. It mimics Afro hair, so you already know Afro hair can look short, but the more work and manipulation you do, you can show length, you can define curls, you can define coils. So here I'm using a spray bottle with water and a brush, and I'm going to brush through with the water. Then I'm going to add my Lotta Body mousse, foaming mousse, and I'm going to finger coil this hair. For those of you that watched my last video with curly hair, I will link that here. I'm obsessed with finger coils right now. You're going to be sick of me and finger coils. I'm just going to tell you right now. So I'm going to finger coil this wig, and when I tell you I absolutely love the finished look of this wig. This wig is not leaving my collection. That's how much I love it. Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. So the thing about this hair is you don't even need to finger coil it. As you can see, once I brush it with the water and a little bit of product, the curl itself is gorgeous. It has a really nice natural curl. It's an Afro curly wig, so it already has an Afro curl to it. But I just had to do the finger coils. Like, I couldn't resist. So let me know what you think about the finger coils down below. But I didn't coil the hair from the top to the bottom. I really just concentrated on the ends. If I was to go back and do this again, I would probably take smaller sections, but you gotta have patience to do these coils. I did like medium sections. Nonetheless, I love the way it looks. Now for my leave out, I am going to show you what products I use to blend that. I don't use the foaming mousse for my hair because that doesn't really do much for my hair or to curl my hair. So if you're interested in any products that I used, it'll be down in the description box. But as far as this wig, you can purchase this in different lengths. Check the link in the description box to see which wig length works best for you. So now I'm going to show you how I do this on one complete side, and then I'm going to finish the other side off camera because there's no point in me sitting here and showing you how to finger coil the entire wig because I'm pretty sure you get it. I just take it and I wrap it around my finger and then I slide it off. I know some people just unravel it, but I just feel like I'm doing something a little special when I slide the coil off. And yeah, that is really it. I do show you how I dry this because I don't let it air dry. I kind of want to speed up the dry time so I can show you the finished look and the full density of the hair once it's done. I also wanted to mention that this wig fits really good, especially if you do an anchor braid and you use those clips or those combs rather that come inside of the wig. Your wig is not going to budge and it is a seamless install. So I wanted to mention that. So this is what it's looking like, and I'm obsessed. Obsessed, y'all. I'm telling you, should have never taught me this. So now I'm pulling out my leave out, which I stated before is not a lot of hair. You do not need a lot of hair for these curly half wigs. I feel like you can use less leave out than with a straight one. So I'm using this Mael Curl Custard. This works best for my natural hair. If ever I need to curl my hair itself or curl it to match a type of extension, this is the product that I'm going to use. It works every single time and it smells amazing. So I'm going to rub that into my hair. Then I'm going to take a few pieces in the front with my hair and the wig and coil those together from the top to the bottom. Those are like the only places that I did that. Now I'm using my blow dryer with the diffuser attachment, and I'm using this on a heat setting, and I'm going to use this to dry the hair. So I dried it. It's about 90 5% dry by the end of this process because I wanted it to be very full so you can get the full look. So now I am pulling it apart. I'm really fluffing it. I'm not trying to disturb my coils, but I am trying to pull the hair out so you see that full density. Because remember when I first combed it out how big it was? You can get the hair to be that full and with that density, but I didn't want to disturb my coils. But tell me this is not gorgeous. I am obsessed with this look. Now, I'm showing you, you can pull this up, you can do a half up, half down, you can pull it, flip it over to the side, you can mimic a side part. I was going for like a middle part type fro and I love it. So here I'm just using a little bit of edge control. That will be linked down below too. This edge control works really well and I am natural and I'm using that just to style my edges and that is really it. I mean, anything else that I could have did, I probably could have sprayed like some oil sheen, but I don't have any. I need to get that. We need to do a beauty supply. I've been saying for the longest that we're going to do a beauty supply haul, but I absolutely need to. There's so many products that I need. So that is really it. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Shout out to ISee Hair. They have been killing the game for years when it comes to these curly textures. Check their track record, okay? ISee Hair is one of the GOATs when it comes to these curly textures. Definitely like this video on your way out. Let me know what you think about this look. I cannot wait to do this with some color. Ooh, I cannot wait, y'all. But yeah, I feel like it's giving like Meg Thee Stallion when she popped back out, you know, with that natural look. But yeah, thank you for watching another video. I will add this to my half wig playlist. And I hope you beauties enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.